today I'm making a chicken loaf meal prep idea, and we're gonna use our food processor for this. We're gonna add chicken breast chunks. These are 2 chicken breasts which I've cut into chunks just to make it easier for the food processor to mix everything. And we're gonna add 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt. Now we're just going to cover this and blend it. Once it's all blended, we're going to lightly spray our mold with some oil, and the next step is totally optional. You can go ahead and scale your portions if you're doing the meal prep. If not, then just fill your mold and you're done. Just bake it, you know. But I'm scaling it because it's a meal prep. And now, since the mold where I scaled it on were way too big, I decided to use these smaller mini loaf pans, which were perfect. So that's what I used, but you can go ahead and just make a big loaf and portion it afterwards when it's already cooked. It does change, so I added an extra ounce because it does change when it cooks. And now you're going to bake it at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. And enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.